Welcome to an in-depth look at Ecwid, a feature-packed e-commerce platform that caters to both beginners and seasoned business owners. With Ecwid, you can create an online store in minutes, integrate it seamlessly into your existing website, or launch it as a standalone store. One of its standout features is its compatibility with multiple sales channels, including social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, allowing you to reach a broader audience effortlessly. The platform offers built-in SEO tools, customizable design templates, and a straightforward dashboard, making store management a breeze. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Ecwid's dropshipping capabilities truly shine with its integration to popular suppliers like Printful and Spocket, making it easy to sync products, automate order processing, and manage inventory efficiently. Whether you're looking to sell physical goods, digital products, or subscriptions, Ecwid has tools tailored to meet your needs. Its flexible pricing plans ensure you can start small and scale as your business grows. Subscribe now and hit that like button to stay updated on more helpful content like this.